Respected sirs and engineers, in past there have been very rigorous discussion on the lightning arrestor position to be installed on DP distribution transformer centers, and it was insisted that the lightning arrestor shall be installed on EHT terminal of the DTC, causing unprotection of horn gap and AB switch from lightning stroke. And again, for my support, I have submitted the provisions in CA Regulation 2010, methods of construction of MACB, and government also. But these were not agreed. Again, I am showing one more provision in RC standard. What does it say? Lightning arrestor. 11 kV lightning arrestors 9 kV outdoor type are used for diverting the lightning surges to earth. Resistance resistance of earth and lead should be minimum. What does it say? 11 kV lightning arrestor 9 kV outdoor time are used for diverting the lightning surge to earth. This is one sentence. Further, resistance of the earth and lead should be minimum. Lightning arrestor should be installed on the top of the DP, that is on DP transformer, that is on DC transformer, distribution transformer, on that is DP of distribution transformer. Lightning arrestors can be also installed on 50 by 50 by 5 mm angle below the top of DP structure or 800 mm below the line. Very clear, very clear. Now about this, it also says 33 by 11 kV lightning arrestors. Lightning arrestors are provided on power as well as distribution transformers or at important location at the substations where the lines are terminated or from here the lines are extended. They provide protection to the costly equipments like transformers against lightning. The main construction of lightning arrester is that the media should be high resistance to low voltage and low resistance to high voltage above critical when lightning takes place as voltage is very high above the critical value. The sizing the arrestor provides for resistance and an easy path for high voltage to pass the ground, thereby protecting the equipment. 11 kV LS are rated for 19 kV, while 33 kV are rated for 30 kV. The respective discharge current rating is 5 kV and 5 kA and 10 kA. These are the provisions under CA under REC standards. Why I posted this? Because there are many different opinions, and where the supplier provides lightning arrestor On the ST terminal, our lightning arrestor can be at the top of DP with a particular distance from lines, as mentioned here. I think that distance is 800 mm, 800 mm away from the lines. Thank you. Myself, Ramdas Khandagade, retired Chief NSP and National Safety Council member. For such important videos, kindly subscribe to my YouTube video channel. Thank you.